In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Turbotax help in just 5 minutes. If you're ready to navigate the Turbotax website and find the support you need, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that you have all the information you need to resolve your queries easily and efficiently. First off, open up your browser and head over to the Turbotax official site. You can easily find this by searching for Turbotax, or by entering the URL directly if you have it handy. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice that Turbotax has streamlined their layout to help customers access various services and support with ease. As we prepare to seek help, the next thing you want to do is scroll down the page. Don't rush through this part, take your time to explore what the website offers. You'll find that Turbotax provides a wealth of resources even before you get to the support section. But for today, we're focusing on reaching out for specific support. Continue scrolling until you see the Contact Us option. This is a key portal to get the assistance needed, whether you're dealing with a minor question or something more complex. Clicking on Contact Us will lead you to the Turbotax support page, which is designed to funnel you to the right kind of help based on your needs. Once you're on the contact page, it's essential to click on the Contact Us button. Here, Turbotax provides various options for getting in touch. Whether it's through phone support, live chat or email, these different methods ensure you can choose what's most convenient for you. Remember to have any necessary details on hand, such as your account information or specific questions about your tax return, to help streamline the support process. It's worth noting that Turbotax has a plethora of online articles and FAQs that could address some concerns without needing direct contact. However, for more personalized help, reaching out via their Contact Us page is your best bet. And there you have it, a quick and efficient guide on how to get the assistance you need from Turbotax. By following these simple steps, you'll have the tools to address any tax-related issues with confidence, backed by Turbotax's dedicated support team. With this newfound knowledge, navigating tax season should be a smoother experience. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your taxes.